Are you still making hiring decisions based on resumes, degrees, and 45-minute interviews? Or running L&D programs with no way to prove whether anyone actually learned anything? If so, you're not alone. Most organizations don't choose skills-blind talent processes, they inherit them. A job posting here, a phone screen there, a take-home project or panel interview, and suddenly, building a great team feels like a guessing game. That's where CodeSignal comes in. In this video, we're reviewing CodeSignal in detail, what it is, where it's strongest, and who it's best suited for in 2026. This episode is sponsored by CodeSignal, but as always, we're keeping things fair, data-backed, and buyer first. Let's dive in. What is CodeSignal? CodeSignal is an AI-native skills platform designed to help organizations hire smarter and develop talent more effectively. It's used by talent acquisition teams, hiring managers, and L&D professionals at companies ranging from high-growth startups to enterprises like Google, Meta, Anthropic, Netflix, and Dropbox. What separates CodeSignal from basic tools is that it covers the full skills lifecycle. Instead of stopping at screening, it combines skills assessments, live technical interviews, skills development, and skills intelligence into one platform. The system is built on a foundation of validated science, assessments written by subject matter experts, reviewed by industrial organizational psychologists, and backed by 3 million plus skill evaluation data points. In short, CodeSignal helps answer what skills does this person have, and then helps you make hiring and development decisions accordingly. CodeSignal's strengths and differentiators. Number 1, a platform that covers hire and learn together. Most skills tools solve one problem. Either you screen candidates or you develop employees or students. CodeSignal does both. The Hire suite covers skills assessments, AI interviewing, and live tech interviews, while the Learn suite covers skills development, AI tutoring, and learning embedded validation that measures whether training built the skills that learners, either employees or students, were supposed to develop. This matters because skills gaps don't end at the offer letter, and organizations that use the same skills intelligence for hiring and development get a clearer picture of their entire workforce. Number 2, skills validation that goes beyond resumes. Most hiring tools tell you what candidates claim or completion stats for learning courses. CodeSignal tells you what they can actually do. Its certified assessments measure proficiency through job-related, standardized evaluations backed by 2,800 hours of research and more than 13 million completed skill evaluations. Assessments cover technical skills, business skills, and AI skills across 3,000 plus competencies. The scoring is science-backed, defensible, and designed to hold up to EEOC and OFCCP scrutiny. For organizations that care about reducing mishires and tracking skills growth among employees, skills-based validation is key. Number 3, AI that interviews, screens, and develops, not just scores. CodeSignal's AI interviewer deploys role-specific agents for sales, finance, marketing, operations, recruiting, and more that conduct structured interviews, adapt follow-up questions, and deliver consistent evaluations at scale. There are pre-built agents for common roles, or you can create your own. This means hiring teams can screen more candidates without burning hours or bandwidth. Number 4, real-world simulations, not checkbox tests. CodeSignal's assessments and hands-on learning paths are built around how work gets done. Engineers code in a full IDE. Go-to-market talent completes role-play scenarios and writing tasks. AI skills assessments show how people use AI tools in realistic workflows. You can even enable or limit AI assistants to see how individuals perform in different conditions, which makes it significantly harder to game than traditional multiple-choice formats. Number 5, skills intelligence across the talent lifecycle. Beyond individual assessments, CodeSignal surfaces skills data at the operational level. Skills intelligence aggregates assessment results, benchmarks teams against external data, and helps leaders identify where skills gaps exist before they become business problems. This turns skills data from a hiring artifact into a strategic workforce planning tool. Themes from CodeSignal reviews and case studies. Across CodeSignal's reviews and customer stories, several consistent themes emerge. Here are some areas that customers like best. Massive time reclaimed across teams. A recurring theme in customer stories is how much time organizations get back once skills assessments and interviews are handled by the platform. Instacart reported saving over 2,000 hours annually after deploying CodeSignal's Hire suite, with one team member noting that they could finally focus on the work that actually matters. Code.org similarly documented saving 2,400 hours per year by using CodeSignal for pre-screening and interviews. A consistent, fair process. Outreach, a Latino-founded company with over 80% of leadership from underrepresented backgrounds, chose CodeSignal to replace traditional resume reviews, which tended to favor candidates from known companies and universities over demonstrated ability. By shifting to skills-based screening, they were able to standardize their process. Cohesity echoed this. As their recruiting manager put it, because of CodeSignal, we can reach out to more candidates and make sure that everybody gets a fair shot. Measurable learning gains, not just course completions. An enterprise marketplace that used CodeSignal to upskill employees saw average assessment scores increase by 31 points after program completion. This matters because most upskilling programs measure success by completion rates, not outcomes. CodeSignal measures it by actual skill change, using the same validated assessment framework used in hiring. Analyst takeaway. Who is CodeSignal best suited for? CodeSignal is a strong fit if you hire technical talent and want to validate real-world skills before the interview stage, hire for business roles, sales, CS, finance, marketing, and want skills-based screening at scale without burning your team's time, manage high-volume recruiting and want to reduce the time you spend on interviews, run L&D programs and need to prove that learning is translating into skills growth, want a skills platform that covers both hiring and employee development in one place, work in technology, AI, education, or other industries where skills precision matter. CodeSignal has historically been associated with enterprise, but the platform has options for teams at more stages of growth, not just large organizations. For talent acquisition teams, hiring managers, and L&D professionals who are serious about building skills-based organizations, CodeSignal represents one of the most comprehensive skills platforms in 2026. To see how CodeSignal maps to your hiring and learning goals, check out the links in the description to learn more and schedule a demo. I'm Devin Hennig with Select Hub. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.